Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ Edition 2, presented by Dreamcatcher, will be held on 11th August Sunday, 11:30 am to 4 p.m. at Yalla Habibi Hotel near Park Circus, Kolkata. We heartily thank our chief mentor Shalini Bajpai, owner of Dreamcatcher. We also thank and gratitude for our chief judge, Chef Rima Das. Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ Edition 2 will also be enhanced by our perennial well-wisher Master Chef Lawrence Gomez.
Hello Kolkata News, new edition 2, Kolkata Champ. আয়োজন হচ্ছে কলকাতাতে. I am very happy for the performance kitchen competition এর জন্য. Wish you all the best and special thanks to Ashish Barak sir to organize a great program. আর এত ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়ে উনি কাজ করেন যে বারবার হচ্ছে এডিশনটা দুবার না আরো যেন শতবার হয়. সবাইকেই শুভেচ্ছা জানাই. Wish you all the best. I am also one of the well wishers of Kolkata News as well as Kolkata even edition 2 and want to plus more. Thank you so much.